What's going on, guys? We're going to take a live look at the NASDAQ future. So currently it is 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and today is June the 15th. So with that being said, we know that we have FOMC coming out. One thing to kind of keep in mind is if we were to get a 50 basis point rate hike, the market would probably fall, and it would fall very, very aggressively because the market is not going to feel that the Fed is acting as swiftly or as needed be to kind of control this inflation problem. More so, the market would probably rally and have an aggressive rally if you kind of go back to previous FOMC, what the market has done after that. Normally, we've gotten a rally, but the market is tired of kind of getting these 25 basis point, 50 basis point rate hikes, and it's not enough. It's not enough. The market is really going to need that 75 point hike in order to see some kind of dead cat rally here, to kind of feel that the Fed is taking this serious enough to kind of get this inflation under control. And if we actually get the 100-point basis hike, it would be even better, but the market necessarily might not be pricing in that 100 points. So it might have a little bit of, kind of pricing in to do. So we could see almost a flat or even a little bit of a few days of downward action before we start the rally. So with that being said, we still have to kind of wait and see what happens. What I'm looking at here on the NASDAQ futures is if we do get that 75-point basis hike and we do tend to do a little ripper rally here over 11,580, this is going to absolutely scream up to around 11,700, somewhere in that vicinity, which is around another 150 points on the NASDAQ 100, which would put us up on the day around 4% or close to it, and just about 350 points on the day on the NASDAQ. Now, if we get anything that the market does not like, let's say, for example, they do not like the 50 basis points, and we start to fall and we lose this 50-day moving average here on the 1-hour time frame of sitting at around 11,426, this could get very aggressive and kind of give back these 200 points that we are currently up and start to trade down towards the bottom of this range here. And kind of stay in this range of maybe 11.2, which is still about 200 to 300 points down below. Now, anything below 11.236 is going to start a next aggressive leg down. Not what investors, not what traders want to see. I mean, if you're a trader, yes, you can take advantage, but I mean, I think I'm kind of speaking for everyone. As a day trader, we can trade both long and short, but I think it just feels always a little bit better when things are going up, when everyone's happy, when the market seems a little bit more seamless. And, we don't have to worry about every day constantly look to short new lows and new lows and new lows and new lows. It's been that way for 6 months now. I'm not saying that this cannot last another 6 to 12 months, but, it would just be nice to kind of get a little bit of a breather. Take a drink of water here, kind of put our feet up and take advantage of some moves back up to the upside. If we do kind of look at what we got going on the daily time frame here on the NASDAQ, that would put us right around this 5-day moving average here of around 11,677. If we do get over the 5-day moving average, this is where we're going to have a ton of room to run. This is going to be the rally that you're going to want to be a part of. Now, does that mean that the official bottom was in on the 14th? Maybe, but maybe not. Okay, what it could be is a temporary relief rally where we could actually go from 11.5 all the way up to 12.1, which is about 600 points on the NAS. 600 points on the NAS still doesn't change the narrative of a downward trend, but what it does is give us and provide us with at least a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks worth of relief until we have to start factoring in other scenarios. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are looking to learn how to day trade stocks, options, definitely want to check all of the links down in my description box below. Also, make sure to join the Discord. That community is growing day by day. That link is also down there as well. And if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification, do whatever it is that you got to do to stay updated on all of these technical analysis updates on where the stock market is heading or potentially could be heading. I'll see you guys all in the next video.